Hello everyone, I Razia Patan from Gyan Manjari Vidyapith, Standard 4th. Now students, today we'll start in that unit number second. In that unit we'll start the solving the word problems. In that solving the word problems, here we have to see some example regarding that. So we'll start that. Now students, solving the word problems is, before starting this word problems, we'll use the Narrows method. Which method we'll use here? Narrows method we'll use. So what was the Narrows method? What was the full form is that? So in that case, and that means numbers and keywords. What was the meaning of that? And that means numbers and keywords. A that means ask. What is asked in the question? We have to find that in the questions. And D that means draw to understand. D that means draw for the understand. And O that means which operation will use. O that means which operation will use. And S that means solve the problems. L that means solve the problems. Now students, solve the problem. So in that, in numbers, and that means numbers and keywords. A that means ask. What is asked in the question? D that means draw for understand. O that means which operation will use. And S that means solve the problems. Now let's solve some subtractions word problems using the narrow strategy. So in that, when we are using this strategy, first of all we have to read the question. A potter makes 4013 pots a year. 1 year में पोटर है वो कितने pots बनाते हैं? 4013. He managed to sell 3514 pots. How many pots are left with him? उसके साथ कितने pots है वो बाकी है, वो हमें find करना है. ठीक है. So students, numbers, and first of all we have to find the numbers and keywords. So numbers is 4013 and 3514, and keywords is left. What was the keywords is that? Left. Then we have to find the second number asked. What they are asked in the question. So in the question they are asking like that, how many pots are left with them? How many pots are left with them? And D that means draw for understand. So we have to draw the two boxes. In the first box we have to write the 430, and second box we have to write the 340. Then next number is the operation. Which operation will use? So keywords left, that means subtract. By drawing we can see that 430 minus 3514 given as the how many pots are left. So we have to do the subtraction. Now we have to solve this. First of all we have to draw the table. In that tables we have to write ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now we have to write 4030 minus 3540. So 3 minus 0, 3, 11 minus 4, 7, 9 minus 5, 4, 3 minus 3, 0. So answer is 4473 pots are left with him. Now students, I will give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. A museum in Mumbai had a 5,46,789 visitors in a January month and 6,47,514 visitors in the February month. How many more visitors did the museums have in February than in the January? Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to think and write these sums. After that we have to check it. Okay? You have to write the question also. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll check the answer. So students, in this question, first of all, we have to find the numbers. So number is 5,46,789, 6,47,540. And how many more? That one is the keywords. Then students ask what they are asked. So they are asking that how many more visitors come in February month in a January than in the January month. Then draw. They are draw the two boxes 5,46,789 and 6,47,540. Now keywords operations. So keywords to find the how many more, we need the subtractions, and by drawing we see that we can find the how many more by subtracting. So here we have to do the subtraction, and in a last solution is there. So we have to draw the place value box. After that we have to write the 6,47,514 minus 5,46,789. Now 0 minus 9 is not possible, so we have to cut the 4. Right here 3, cut 0, right here 10, 10 minus 9, 1 is there, 10 minus 9, 1 is there, then 13 minus 8, 3 minus 8 is not possible, will cut 5, right there 4, here next number is a 30, 13 minus 8, 5 is there, 13 minus 8, 5 is there, then 4 minus 7 is not possible, will cut 7, right there 6, next number is a 14, 14 minus 7, 7 is here, 14 minus 7, 7, then 6 minus 6, 0, 4 minus 4, 0, 4 minus 4, 0, 6 minus 5, 1. So there were 1,751 more visitors in the February than the January. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write these sums in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start worksheet number 4. Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 4. Subtraction, what problem is there? So what problems of the subtractions? So here is a little bit chart, that chart I'll show you here. So subtract, less than, take away, left, give back, deduct, remain, difference, how many, more, and less than. How will find to the sums will subtract? Subtraction is there. So here is this, all these words are there. That words show it to us that in that word problems we have to do the subtractions. So I repeat that words again. So you have to remain this, and whenever that word will comes in that sentence in the word problem, so definitely you have to do the subtraction. First word is a subtract, less than, take away, remain, difference, how many, more and less than, deduct, give back and left. Okay, again I repeat it. Subtract, less than, take away, remain, difference, how many, more than, deduct, give back and left. Now we'll check the example. So example is a factory makes 1,20,560 packet of chips for 2 orders, A and B. If order A is for 1,30,901 packets, how many packets are ordered for order B? Now see, in that words you have to remind that which words we have to find it here. Here is a how many. I said that na before starting that word problem. How many, how more, less than, difference, deduct, give back. So here is the word is the how many. Which word is here? How many. So definitely we have to do the subtraction here. Now here we have to follow the Narrow's method. So first of all we have to find step number 1 is numbers and keywords. So read and identify the numbers and keywords. So numbers is a 1,20,561 and keywords is a 1,13,901. This one is a numbers. Okay. Now what they are asking the question, step number 2 is the ask. What they are asking, how many packets are ordered for order B? How many packets are ordered for order B? Then step number 3 is D, draw for understand. So here we have to draw the 2 boxes. In the one box we have to write 1,20,561 packets, and second box we have to write 1,30,901 packets for the order A. Packet of order B we have to find it. Then step number 4 is the identify or operation is there. So which operation will use? So here we have to use the subtraction. To find the packet for order B, so we need to perform subtractions, and in the last solution is there. Solve and write the answer. So first of all we have to draw the place value tables. In that tables we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakhs. Then we have to write here 1,20,561, 1,30,901 is there. So 1 minus 1 0, 6 minus 0 6, 5 minus 9 is not possible. So we have to cut the 0, write there 0, and we have to cut the 2, write there 1, write here 9, and here we have to write 15. So next number is a 15. 15 minus 9, answer is 6. Then 9 minus 3 6, 1 minus 1 0 and 1 minus 1 0. So answer is 6,660 packets are ordered for order B. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now students, little bit revision we are doing here, and then I'll give you homework. So how we find the subtraction word problems? So we have to find the subtraction word problems like this. When we are read in the question subtract, less than, take away, remain, difference, how many, more and less than, give back, deduct and left. These all are words are there at the time we have to do the subtraction. When we are starting the subtraction word problem, so we have to use the Narrow's method. There is a 5 steps are there. In the first of all, we have to find the numbers and keywords. Second one, what they are asking. Step number 3rd is D, that means draw for understand. That number 4 is operation, that means which operation we'll use. In the last solution is there, step number 5. So we'll get the answer. So students, today we have completed SRL, CRL and also we have completed worksheet number 4. So now your homework is you have to complete just worksheet number 4. That worksheet you have to write in your maths notebook. In your workbook, worksheet is there, but also you have to write this worksheet in your maths notebook. That one is your homework. Okay students, so homework before 1:30 you have to send it to me in a WhatsApp group. This one is your homework. Okay, I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.